This is Lakisha Hall stimulation presentation for Marketing Administration, course MG 6500 at National American University, instructor Dr. Gary White. Stimulation project, my marketing plan. It's the marketing firm's job to figure out a way to deliver the value of a customer's desire when they are purchasing a PC in this market because they buy benefits and not features or components. The target segments we have in mind is the workhorse and the traveler segments, in which we created a PC that targeted those customers interested in word processing, bookkeeping, presentations, etc. within that application segment. The data that's regarding these customers' needs is very helpful in understanding the benefits and the costs that are desired in the products we offer. Remember that customers do not buy components or features, but they buy benefits. Therefore, be careful about rewarding benefits that are low on a customer's list. We will review this in the upcoming slides. IT should sell computers and laptops in Chicago and Mexico City. Take, for instance, the city in Chicago. They are willing to pay $2,896 to $3,423 a PC and $3,191 for a PC in New Mexico. If we sell a sizable amount of desired PCs, we can dominate the market in this region. Look at quarter 6 data. Analyst shows the competitor's price for their brand ranges in the amount of $26.39 to $36.09, giving us an advantage to take over in the next couple of quarters. We can hire the best salespeople at that office location. We start off with 5 salespersons in the sales office with 1 support and 1 working at each segment application. Then after we get the first balance scorecard, we can hire more support techs and salespeople for those segments to stay in with the competition coming to the area. We have to create a competitive standpoint and stabilize the sales channels by creating new offices and hire additional or adjust our sales force accordingly. Referring back to slide 3, slide 6 and 7 shows data of what the customers want out of a PC in that workhorse segment. Remember when I said we are selling benefits and not components and features? Well, this is the benefits that the customer wants. They want easy to use, multi-purpose workstation, saving in operators course training, secure from viruses and attacks, services available everywhere, fast service and support response time, monitor is easy on eyes, the more storage space the better, fast processing and output, courteous service personnel. And referring back to slide 3 and 6, this slide data shows the traveler segment of what the customers demand in a PC. They want computers that has small footprint and size. They can connect to the office when they're on the road. Easy to use on the road, can use on the road, fast network, internet, protected against loss of data, portability, monitor is easy on eyes, again, secure from virus and attack, more storage space, and recommended by others. So these are the 2 segments that I chose for my target audience because of these benefits. Slide 8 shows my cumulative wealth. It could be higher, but this has changed significantly from the previous quarters. We were down in our financial performance. My market performance stayed pretty much the same. My investments in my future went up. My marketing effectiveness actually went up, which gave me my cumulative wealth at 1.1.7. These are my results from quarter 8. This could be produced if you need more information far as my progress from quarter to quarter. This is another slide showing my how in quarter 8 I picked up as far as marketing performance and effectiveness, and most of all my financial performances. We had a lot of growing to do as far as getting things accomplished, but them goals were set. We did it effectively. We developed a marketing mix that suited the customer's need. And you see IT com on the rise. If I had more time, I definitely would have made some changes in the beginning quarters. So I would be ahead like some of the others. But I think I did good, and I have the right concept now. I did that through being able to reach that target audience by advertising efficiently. I did. They say that you can't spend so much money on advertising, which at the beginning I did. Thinking, okay, if I advertised 7 times in each um, campaign for the different type of strategies I was going to use to get my brand out. It was just too much. And when you do too much, say I had 7 in the trade journals, I didn't need 3 here, 3 there, and 3 there, but I learned that on the way. So I advertised efficiently. I created a brilliant idea to get our point across in a humorous and unforgettable way, using a campaign that put the production cost at a low, yet helping our brand to be memorable and discussion worthy while impacting the market strategy, using television ads, local business ads, leading venture ads in the magazine, and leading trade journals as my target audience. I had to keep in mind when designing an ad, I had to be careful with deceptive advertising, and I encountered a lot of that, not thinking that it all ties in. But once I figured it out, I got a hang of it. I had no problems in 7th and 8th quarters. So you want to give them what you promised them through your market research. And here is slide 11 with a picture of my balanced scorecard from the industry from quarter 6. As you can see, my total performance was at 1.29. My financial performance went up. Actually, I was in a minus there, and I'm up 11.828. I think I did fairly good with all the adjustments and expansions from the performance report by quarter 6. We put ourselves in a position to compete in this industry. Sky's the limit now. And pretty much my slide 12, I wanted to give you an idea of the competition that's out there. As you can see, from quarter 8, IT com, it's well, I don't know if that means second on the list, but I do truly see that I'm third when it comes to total performances. I'm kind of lacking, but I don't have any minus for financial performances. So I pretty much think that I have the right idea. And my market performance is 0.195. And overall, my wealth is 1.17. And I'm not in the minus. So I think I got the idea and the hang of it. These standings is for the last quarter that shows where my sales picked up significantly according to the data received. And that 1.171 actually generated 8 millions in sales by the second quarter. And I hit a milestone in quarter 6 and 5 where I generated 4 millions in sales. With that being said, my data proved that I needed some help in some areas throughout the quarters 5 and 6, but with all the adjustments of advertising, the number of salespeople hired, I changed my image up a little bit. We needed a little help there, but when everyone doing a fantastic job, we no longer are our biggest threats, and we now have the knowledge to create a brand that the customers demand and reach for the sky from here. In closing, an IT com creating the right products is best for the customers because we want to get products that we will want ourselves. Products that are easy to make, easy to use, meaning intuitive and easy to understand and easy to learn. Products that are simple for easier decision makings for the customers. Like we don't want to have 10 different products and customers can't make up their mind to which one that they want. They actually want to go in and purchase one item out of the 3 products that we may sell. Offer great customer service and in-store experience, which means if we had less products, that salesperson in that store would know exactly about the product and just point it out for the customer and tell the customer the experience from another customer or their experience themselves. We want to invent products that are better than the competition. Say we don't want to go out there and create an iPod like Apple. No, we don't want to do that. We want to do something different. So maybe we should try some headphones, even though they got companies out there with headphones, but we could do some different with headphones where we can actually hear the call coming through on the headphones instead of the phone or the watch, and press the button on the headphones and just begin to talk. And we want to stay ahead of the competition. Um, we want to be knowledgeable and committed, training our professionals for psychological testing and evaluation software, and we want to know who our who are customer service oriented. We want to know who's watching. Our advertising expenses and locations, because all of this play a big part in having the right salespeople who could provide all of those services, which means creating a great PC, creating a great product, give great customer service, rather it's on the phone or in store, invent, and keeping ahead of the competition so we won't lag behind. References came from the games world of the marketplace live, Techland, Times Magazine, 6 Reasons Why Apple is Successful, and IP Watchdog, Macs versus PC, a simplistic yet effective marketing strategy. Thank you.